Production scenario of cable tray production line for Indian customers. Cable tray production line with 7 tons hydraulic deck oiler, automatically pulling sheet to save workers. Leveling device to make sheet straight into machine, punching machine which is 400 tons pressure, with 7 pieces molds, so make 7 different web sizes cable trays. If you want to make more sizes we also can do. To improve speed we add servo feeder with punching machine. We also have liner device which can make cable tray much stronger. Roll forming machine can change size automatically. There is one slide track inside of machine, motor driven. You only input the size you need in touch screen, then machine can change size automatically and accurately on liner guide rail with encoder, no special tools and spacers changed. Very easy to operate, save time. Machine can produce web size 100 to 600 mm, flange size 40 to 100 mm. We also can make size according to your requirement. And punch different holes as your design. We have own design engineer, so we are professional on cable tray machine. The cutter device is flying cutter type, servo motor driven, cutting with non-stop. We can set length and quantity in touch screen of control box. We have English and Chinese language, so you can operate very easy. This machine also can make cable tray cover. One machine make more types, so save cost and space. Our factory produce different kinds of roll forming machine. If you need any machine please contact us. Look forwarder to cooperate with you.